Hello everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to use cleaning features. First of all, tap on Modes. Scroll all the way down then, and here you've got pre-cleaning. So you can use regular cleaning. Here you can customize time if you want to, temperature and clockwise, and once it is set, just tap on Start. You can use deep cleaning, and also here you need to add some water, detergent and so on, and tap on Start once ready. And it's all the same with the third one, which is a deep cleaning, and here you can also configure it if you want, or just tap on Start to use it. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.